This mushroom potato gratin is scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. Thinly layered Yukon Gold potatoes in a cream with roasted mushrooms and ricotta cheese, then baked with a bubbling, crispy Parmesan cheese top. To start, roast button mushrooms to concentrate their flavor and evaporate excess moisture. Thinly slice 50 grams button mushrooms and place them on the bottom of the skillet. Drizzle with a little olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring once or twice until the mushrooms shrink and are well browned, about 20 minutes. Then in a small bowl mix 30 grams cream, 5 grams roasted garlic, a few leaves of fresh thyme with salt and pepper. Peel and thinly slice 60 grams Yukon Gold potato into the bowl and toss with the cream mixture. A small plastic mandolin is the tool I like to use. As soon as the mushrooms come out of the oven, remove them from the pan, leaving the oil. Then layer the potatoes with mushrooms and 15 grams ricotta cheese. Cover the skillet with a small piece of aluminum foil to cook the potatoes in their own steam. Bake in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven until the potatoes are cooked, about 30 minutes. Remove the foil to allow the steam to escape and thicken the sauce. A small knife should have no resistance cutting through the potato. Work quickly, do not allow the skillet to cool down too much, and spread 15 grams grated Parmesan cheese on top. Then bake until the cheese is bubbling and the edges are crisp, another 10 to 15 minutes.